I guess I'm just too tough to cry.
Oh boy, I love these cooking videos, man. As long as they use some seasoning.
They're using seasoning. Yeah, this is gonna be bussin' on God.
That's right, big bad bussin' out the Bentley Bentiaga, man. Bentiaga party back. All these bitches, it's a big bag. I don't know the words, man. Cardi, these don't even sound like fucking words, Cardi B. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, oh my God, look at this chicken. Oh my God. Yo, even if that was fucking Donald's filet mignon, bitch ass, I'd fucking
eat that shit.
Yo, that looks so good. Oh my God, you're gonna roast them and then put the chicken on top, aren't you? God damn. Oh my God. Yeah. Look at that. Wow. Just fucking bake it. Bake that shit. Bake that shit. What the fuck are you saying, Cardi B? Shut up. Look at this. Look at this. Oh!
Baste it, bitch.
No, I was first. Don't even try to debate that.
Megan was first.
Shut the fuck up, Monica. This is not about you. Why do you always want to be the center of attention, you lying fat bitch? No, but seriously, ask anyone in the circle.
I saw Megan was first.
I'm obviously not talking about you, Monica. If you speak one more time, I'll burn your fucking house down. I'm done playing with you. This game is just stupid. You're out to get me every single time. It's not fair. I wish infertility upon all of your bloodline.
The money in the bag. Put the money in the bag.
I just got here.
Put the money in my ass! Oh shit!
Don't you dare disobey me, Coraline! Ah!
You guys want a cookie?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh. We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
Let's go.
Ling-ling McChing!
How the fuck did he not die? What the fuck?
I think we have a Russian in our team. Hello?
Hello?
Are you from Russia?
No, I'm from England, America!
So fuck. Who's your president?
Michael Jordan!
Just take this beautiful eye off. Save that bit for later. But look at that. And that is pink. That's Peppa Pig himself.
Oh dear.
Play with this kaleidoscope I got you at the airport.
What? A kaleidoscope? I'm not 5. Shapes and colors.
I have a headache. It's been 10 minutes. Don't talk to me.
Position. If I get stoned and sing all night long, fuck you, Google. Fuck you. Piece of shit.
I'm a virtual assistant, but your words are still very real.
Get fucked!
Please keep them respectful.
Shut up,
if you're
bitch!
frustrated with something,
Shut your bitch ass up!
Feedback.
Shut up!
Sorry about that, CJ.
Shut up, bitch!
Problem. You can send feedback.
I'll be about another half hour, maybe. What? Are you serious? Why would you tell me this right now? I'm at work. Well, I'm very upset about it.
Are you actually crying? He's actually crying.
Okay, bye. Oh, man.
Are you okay?
Might rain tomorrow.
It might rain tomorrow.
It's raining right now.
It's raining now.
That's the funny part.
Where am I going to find the umbrella at this hour?
Don't worry, I have like 5 in my car.
You'd lend me your umbrella?
You can actually keep it.
I can keep your umbrella. That's the nicest thing anyone's ever said to me.
It's how to make a smoothie thick enough that you can hold it upside down.
No!
What did you? I want to show you a magic trick.
1-1. What the fuck is your emergency? Oh fuck me. What's your address? 29 Buttercup Lane. Is this a fucking prank call? Oh no, he's in your house. Oh fuck me. Okay. Right, okay. Go to the backyard. Immediately. Find the most fantastic stick you can find in the backyard. And arm yourself. Because you are going to be hitting him with the most magnificent force you've ever had in your life. I will send paramedics to clean up the mess, but I'm afraid you're on your own. Pick it up and hit him. You've got to first